First official stock market? The fascinating origin of stock exchanges. Hey there, fellow financial enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the intriguing history of finance. Today, we have got something truly captivating for you. Ever wondered where the concept of a stock exchange originated? Well, we're about to unravel the mesmerizing story behind the world's first official stock market. But before we dive into that story, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our historical financial discoveries. Our journey begins in the bustling streets of Amsterdam in the 17th century, a time when this city was at the epicenter of a financial revolution that would change the world forever. Traders and merchants gathered in coffee houses, conducting business in an entirely new way, buying and selling shares of the world's first publicly traded company, the Dutch East India Company. But there was one problem. These transactions lacked regulation, transparency, and a central place for trading. Enter the Amsterdam Stock Exchange. In 1602, the Dutch East India Company issued the world's first ever public shares, and it needed a way to facilitate these trades. So, in 1608, a group of forward-thinking merchants and businessmen established a central location for trading those shares, and thus, the Amsterdam Stock Exchange was born. This revolutionary concept provided a structured marketplace for investors, enabling them to buy and sell shares in a regulated and transparent manner. It was here that the modern concept of a stock exchange began to take shape. The success of the Amsterdam Stock Exchange paved the way for the establishment of stock exchanges worldwide. In the centuries that followed, stock markets emerged in London, Paris, New York, and beyond, shaping the global financial landscape we know today. So next time you hear about the New York Stock Exchange or the London Stock Exchange, remember that it all began right here in Amsterdam over 400 years ago. And there you have it, folks, the captivating story of the world's first official stock market, the Amsterdam Stock Exchange. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the power of finance to shape the world. As always, thank you for joining us on this historical adventure, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Stay curious, keep learning, and never stop exploring the world of finance.